Hello friends, welcome to the Amo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our next exercise. First question, find what is the area of the triangle. The triangle is formed by these coordinates. So here we need to take the three coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So before going to solving area of the triangle, so let's go into take what is the formula of area of the triangle by using x1 y1 x2 y2 like that. So area of triangle with what is us. So let's go into take what is us area of the triangle. Let's take a b c. So here a is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So for this we have to find what is the area. So what is the formula for area? So let's going to take that one. So area of triangle capital A will be equal to area of the triangle, or otherwise write area of triangle, that is half into 1 by 2 modulus of, we have to write modulus of x1 into, here 1 is there, right? For that we have to write y here, but continuous 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 like that. So 1 after y2 minus y3, so 2 after 3, then plus here x1 came, right? For that we need to write x2 into, here 2 came, right? After that 2, what we will get? 3, that is y3. After 3 we will get 1, for that y1, plus you can write like this up to, plus x3, let's going to write here x3 into, here 3 came, right? So here 3 came, for that after that 1 we will get. So before going to that x1s, x2s, x3s, but y1, y2s. So y1 minus y2 modulus finish. So this is the formula of area of the triangle. So let's going to take first one. So first one is what? x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 3, then x2 y2, what is that? Minus 1 comma 0, then x3 y3 will be equal to 2 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 4. These are the coordinates. Let's going to substitute these values in this, then we are going to calculate what is the area. So first one, area of, let's going to rate A1 area 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is what? 2 into, so y2 minus y3, y2 is what? 0, minus y3 is what? Minus 4, plus x2 is what here? Minus 1 into y3 is minus 4. So here what is this? y3. So here y3 is what? Minus 4, minus y1 is what? 3, plus x3 is what here? 2 into y1 is what? 3, minus y2 is what? 0. Modulus finish. So what is the meaning of this modulus? If you get any negative value, it will become positive. So before going to that, sorry for that, so let's going to take modulus of minus x will be equal to x. So modulus of minus x will be equal to x. So this condition we should remember. So let's going to take modulus of minus 5 will be equal to 5. Modulus of minus 6, whatever it is. So these are all come under negatives will become positives. So half into, what you can write? 2 into, minus into minus will become plus. So here, so plus into minus, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3, it will become minus 7. So plus 2 into 3. So that will be equal to 1 by 2 into 2 4s are 8, minus into minus will become plus 7, plus 2 3s are 6, that is 1 by 2 into 8 plus 7, it will become what? 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6, 21. So we will get it as 21 by 2. You can write 21 by 2 as a mixed fraction, or simply you can write like this only, square units. So 21 by 2. So here write 2 as it is. How many times? 2 tens are 20. Again 1 will be square units. Square units. So that is the area of first one. 10 1 by 2. Then what is the area of second one? That is x1 y1 x2 y2. Write like that only. So second one. So x1 y1 will be equal to minus 5 minus 1. Then x2 y2 will be equal to 3 minus 5. x2 y2 3 minus 5. Then x3 y3 will be equal to, what is that? 5 comma 2. So minus 5 minus 1, 3 minus 5, 5 comma 2. So let's going to calculate what is the area for this. Let's going to take A2, that is 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 is what? Minus 5 into here y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 5, y3 is minus 2 plus x2 is what here? 3. Then y3 minus y1, x2 after y3, we know that y3, that is 2, y3 minus y1 minus of 1 plus, so y1, then x3 is what? 5 into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is minus of minus 5, modulus closed. So next one, let's going to write 1 by 2 into, so here what is this? So let's take minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. That is finished. So that are the values. So 1 by 2, let's going to take minus into minus will become plus. 5 sevens are 35. Then plus 3 into 3 plus of 5 into minus 1 plus 5. What it will come? Plus 4. Modulus over 1 by 2 into 35 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 4s are 20. So that is 1 by 2 into. So 35 here 29 plus 35. 29 plus 35 here 4. Then it will become 64. So what value we are getting here? So we will get 64, we will get 64 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 32s are. So 32 square units. Whatever the units are there, that is square units. So here, so this is our, what you can say, second one. Now we are going to see our third one. What is that here? The third one is, so let's going to take x1 y1 and x2 y2s. So here x1 comma y1, third one 0 comma 0, then x2 comma y2 is equals to 3 comma 0, and x3 comma y3 is equals to 0 comma 2. So let's going to substitute this a3, that is 1 by 2, modulus of x1 is what? 0 into y2 minus y3. y2 is also 0 and y3 is 2 plus x2 is what? 3 into y3. y3 is what here? 2 minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is what? x3 is 0 into y1. y1 is also 0 minus y2. y2 is also 0. So what value we will get it here? So 1 by 3 into 0 into anything is 0 plus 3 into 2 plus 0, that is 6, modulus of 6 1 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 2 1s are, then 2 3s are, then 3 square units, 3 square units. So like this we have to find it. So this is the way to find the area of the triangle by taking what is as their coordinates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.